Hi guys, welcome back to Kitchen Foodie. My name is Uche, and on today's episode I'm going to be introducing a snack recipe to you that is super easy, tasty and affordable. Please stay tuned as I show you how I make my dinner rolls cinnamon sugar. So guys, I'm gonna start off by spreading a parchment paper and I'm gonna assemble each roll. Because the rolls are frozen, I'm gonna leave them to soften and rise for an hour 30 minutes. While the rolls are rising, I'm gonna go in and prepare the cinnamon sugar. So I'm gonna be adding 1.5 cups of granulated sugar and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. So guys, it's been over an hour 30 minutes. The rolls feel soft and sticky, so I'm gonna go ahead and fry them. So guys, the onion is optional. You can just go ahead and fry the rolls with vegetable oil only. Frying them till they turn golden brown. And when they turn golden brown, I'm gonna put them in a bowl covered with paper towel so that the oil can be absorbed. Now I'm gonna incorporate them into the cinnamon sugar mix, and I'm gonna jiggle it carefully, making sure every single one of them is well coated with the mix. Thank you so much for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please feel free to interact with me in the comment section. If you have any questions or if this is a recipe you look forward to trying, let me know. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next one.